There's an arrow pointing, showing you which way the blade should be going. So not like this. See how that arrow's pointing that way? And now the blades aren't, the teeth aren't. It goes like that. Oops. Double check. Here's everything I messed up on my Skilsaw. I bent my table. I bent this piece right here. I don't know if you can see that, but yeah, now you can see. So as I change depth, even though I would lock it, we bring it close, do you still see how it's warped right there? And then right my bevel here, it won't sink, it doesn't sit down enough. And then the bearing in here would make it so that the blade would like wobble essentially. So it'd be like cutting and it'd be like, so, thank you Skilsaw. So many used parts of it. It's kind of exciting that I have something with a motor now I could tinker with. I might just try to change the whole table. Bearing is going to be pretty far down in there, but wouldn't that be fun to figure out how it works? Yeah. This is the other tool I got. It was a 2-pack and it came with batteries. So this is a hammer drill, which is different. It's different than my impact driver or my screwdriver, my regular drill. So just twist this, and then this comes off. Crazy piece of lemon squeezy. I'm really excited. It's like the equivalent of Briar Horse.